Hello guys and welcome back to MS Tech Tutorials, and in today's video I'm going to be going over how to fix the Call of Duty Black Ops 6 error 0x00001337. The application has unexpectedly stopped working, and now let's get straight into it. So the first thing that you guys can do is, before opening up Steam, you can go ahead and right click on it and hit run as an administrator. So basically just open up Steam this way, and then once Steam is open, now what you can do is you can go over to library, go over to Call of Duty, right click on Call of Duty, hit properties, and then hit installed files, and then now you can go over to verify this game's files are installed correctly, and then go ahead and hit verify integrity of game files. Now once this is done verifying, you can go ahead and open up Black Ops 6, and then you can check to see if the issue has been fixed. The second method you guys can do is try to simply just restart your PC and also restart your Wi-Fi router as well. And if you don't know how to do that, all you have to do is just unplug the power cord for about 30 seconds. Once you wait those 30 seconds, go ahead and plug it back in, and then check to see if that fixes the issue as well. And once you do all of these steps, you should be good to go, and you're all set now. So thank you guys for watching. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and have a great day.